Hey there, Windows 10 users. Ever wondered how to uncover those hidden files and folders lurking in your system? Well, you're in luck because today I'll walk you through 2 easy methods to do just that. Alright, let's get started. Method 1, using File Explorer. Simply open any folder or File Explorer window. Once you're in, navigate to the View tab at the top. Then select your file size type. Here, you'll find a checkbox labeled Hidden Items. Check this box to reveal those elusive hidden files. And just like that, your hidden files will magically appear. To hide them again, simply uncheck the box. Easy peasy, right? But wait, there's more. Method 2 involves a slightly different approach. We'll be diving into the folder options. Open this PC, then click on File at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select Change Folder and Search Options. In the Folder Options window, click on the View tab. Here, you'll see the option to show hidden files, folders, and drives. Check this box to reveal hidden content. And if you're feeling adventurous, you can even show protected operating system files by checking this box below. Once you're done, hit Apply and then OK to save your changes. And there you have it, folks. 2 simple methods to show hidden files and folders in Windows 10. Now, you have successfully allowed hidden files and folders. And there we go. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy computing!